Hello everyone, what is going on? We are back on the water. It is a day after we had an 86-degree day. It is now like 47, super overcast, and it has kind of been sprinkling on us. We headed down south to target some white bass using the old motor today. Got fish finding fern on the toe. We hooked up the two dog leashes, and it gives me enough room to steer with the rudder while being able to tow them. But brisk morning. Hopefully it's got the fish fired up. Just saw another little jump there. We're seeing a lot of activity on the water, so I think we're in for a treat. Trying to get a limit today. If we can get 50, Fern's gonna have a nice fish fry. But I think it's about another mile-ish before we get to the spot. I'm gonna do a little trolling along the way, see if we can snag something while we're headed to the spot. But join us for another adventure on the water. You lose something? Oh, I got hit. On one, baby. Dude, the tree method. This might not keep though. They gotta be 10 inches, right? 10 or 12? Huh. Well, all right. Seems like if you don't get bit like within the first minute or two, give it a recast. Oh, little jump right there. Let's go right through it. On. Oh, he missed it. Swing and a miss. We're gonna have to get out though. Dude, I said, Jesus. Is there room to get behind y'all? We caught one early, but just kind of been running up. We'll let wind take us back down. It's been kind of brutal. Seems like we must have had a big rain or something. A lot of topography's changed since the last time we came out here. Is it? See, and I thought it looked higher. You said the same thing.
Yeah, no, we haven't been here since last year.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's been a while.
Oh, it's way lower than it was last year.
Okay. Well, good luck, you guys. Thanks, man. No. Oh, there's a frickin' fish on it, dude.
Oh, sweet.
Oh, that's hilarious. I knew there was gonna be a fish over here. Oh, it's a crappie.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's so funny. He came up and smoked it while my other jig was stuck. It's my second ever crappie.
Really?
Yep.
My first ever crappie was caught here too.
So we just pulled over. We think it's like a deep pocket right there. I don't even know if I can cast it that far. Actually, we can't even get to where we need to get from here. When you're done rigging up, yeah, we'll get back on the motor, as they say. Get him. This is a good one? Oh yeah. Yeah, that's for sure a keeper. High five.
Hey, babe. See that tree sticking out?
Yeah. I don't think I can get my casts that far, but nope. The wind immediately just took it. I'll have to take a different approach here. Whoa. I'm just gonna come up over here.
Okay, I'm gonna leave mine here anyways.
Oh, okay. Should we bring the, well, I guess if we start pulling a few out, we should probably move the, oh my God, I caught one right here. He's tiny, but it was like last second. They gotta be 10 and he is probably about 6 to 8. Oh, I got a twofer, Fern. I don't think I've ever had a twofer. I don't think either of them are keepers, but that was cool. This guy is cutting it close. He might be a fish stick. He's slightly bigger. Nope. Oh, I need to take care of that other guy. I forgot he was still there.
You only used to catching wet.
Yeah. Sorry, guy. Let's get you taken care of.
Definitely not.
Where did
Yeah, minimum like 10 inches.
Okay. I'm trying different tactics. That one I burned it, killed it, and then twitched it, and then they smashed it. I kind of remember that working well from last season, was like the twitch.
Like jigging wise?
Yeah, kind of just go like when you, yeah, like that. Ooh. Thought I got smoked. Bet I have some shit on the end of it. Oh, there was one that blew up right there.
Yeah, that right there after the rapid set, you get
Oh, again, dude! It always happens right in front of me. They gotta be stacked in this hole, literally right in front of us.
Yeah.
I want to cast this over to you to measure him. I don't think he's long enough. See if they whack me right in front of me again. It might be in this just little hole. Oh yeah. Oh, this one might be a keep. This one might keep.
Okay.
I think he might. Get in my spot, dude. Get in there. Cast at an angle. Ten and a half. Let's see how much of a taco he'd make.
We're trying to go 2-man limit, you know?
He feels good. Oh yeah. Little squeaker. He ain't gonna cut it. Go make future tacos. Another one. This one's even smaller. Test. Jesus. Back-to-back casts. There you go. Ugh. Stand in one spot too long here, you start to get sucked in. The soil here is very clay rich. Oh yeah, that's gotta be a keeper. That feels better. Or did I double up? Nope, just a good one. Decent, not good, decent. He'll make a taco. Got a keeper, Fern. $11.5. Mothership barge. This color's really was a Bob Ross happy accident. Had some what used to be white grub worms, and they sat in my tackle box so long with a yellow colored grub worm that they made this chartreuse-ish banana color. Dude, the water's steaming. See it?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh, this guy's a keeper for sure, fan. He's for sure keeper. Boat flip him.
Dude, hell yeah.
Right?
Fucking rain turned them on.
It really did. And they haven't gone anywhere. They're still in the same exact spot. My hands are very red. This guy's lively. Hey. 11. Nope, nope, nope. I need you to stay. We're trying to make food out of you. I got a little meat in the box, if you will. It's getting colder out here, though. I can for sure feel that.
Oh yeah, this is
Oh.
a good one.
You might have a gasper, eh?
Think so?
I don't know. He's putting up a good fight.
Oh, no, it's definitely a wet bass. It's
Just
fucking chunky.
a big one.
Yeah, this is a big taco. I can make 2 tacos.
You get a twofer? It's like they hear us talking about leaving the spot. They're thinking, there's
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
no need to measure that one.
Sorry. Competes with the one you caught
Oh,
earlier.
nice. I mean, yeah, I saw your pole. That's not an ultralight, is it?
No. It's a 6 foot.
Which one did it take? The yellow?
Yep.
Yeah, let me get like 2 more casts in and then. No, I think you're right though. We've probably worn out our welcome here. I'm glad we found a hole though.
What?
I was glad we found a hole.
I love a hole. For sure.
Did I cast in front of you?
Nah, I'm trolling.
Oh, I'm on. Jesus, I was on immediately.
Felt like it?
Yep. This might be a deep pocket right here. Make a fish taco rap song. Yeah, about catching fish tacos. Oh, there's one.
Can you see that ass?
Oh no, he got me around this.
I see that white bass.
No, what am I doing? I don't think he's gonna make the cut. 11 inches.
Hey. Same spot. Definitely covers that area.
I had to look back and think, oh, he probably went that way. I'll let you reel in.
Now you good? Oh, on.
That could be a taco, dude.
It looks like a taco.
That looks like Uno taco.
It looks like a taco.
You want to board him?
I mean, we can.
It's close.
This one real slow and steady.
Oh my god, dude. They must be stacked in that little hole right there, huh?
Yeah.
You figure they'd be.
Wow. Nice.
Oh,
That's definitely a taco.
he got caught, dude. He got caught twice. Look at him.
And both of
He's in the tail and the face. You see that? He's on a hammock. Look at this poor guy.
He's definitely not getting out.
Poor fella. All right, that's a taco. Is that where you wanted to go?
Yeah. No, you're good. I'm gonna go up ahead of you under that other van. Double cover. There's like a tree. Oh, nope.
That ain't no tree. You got him, son. Oh, he might be too short.
This is definitely short.
Yeah. To the left of the tree?
Yeah. Perfect.
Oh yeah, dude! Immediately, they're stacked in there. He didn't even know what to do. Oh, dang it, he's small. Giant splash over there.
That's him Same spot you jumped last time?
I think so. Probably in the same area that we had. These are new holes, you know? Oh, I think I got creamed again. I did! Oh, yo, dude, this is a dock. Look at that thing. This might be a gasper. Oh, a double! A double keeper?
Right at the boat?
Yeah, I can see it.
Right in front of you.
Yeah, well, I think they're probably in that little hole right there now. I was wondering how long he was on here.
Taco?
I think so. Dude, this guy's kind of heavy, actually. Taco Tuesday! He's a 10 3/4.
Nope.
See ya, dude. Yep, they've been, okay. Dude, cast it in there and then burn it in and then stop. I've had so many follows.
Well, that's definitely gonna catch him. Called it. Called it. They're all like dinkers though.
Yeah.
One more taco. Oh yeah, there she is. There she is.
She's a keep.
Right here in the middle, bro. I mean,
We're working our way up. Oh my god, one just boiled right behind you. Alright. Back down we go.
back down we go.
Alright. It's halftime,
Halftime?
right? I mean, that was.
That's pretty much.
I mean, it's only gonna get colder and colder is the only problem. Yep, I think the gloves are coming out. Oh, get in there. Oh, that feels so good though. As soon as I got my hand in there, I'm like, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna.
Fucking chills.
Oh, it feels so good. Alrighty folks, we're gonna have to make moves back downriver. We're having a lot of success, but if we keep doing what we're doing, we'll be out here till it gets dark, and that's not a smart idea. It's cold. I don't know if y'all can see, but the water is smoking, and my hands have turned black to put gloves on. Should be much quicker getting downriver though. We'll be our own worst enemies if we run into a snafu trying to fish too many spots. That might be a taco.
Slice them and dice.
Oh. Hit it right there. Oh, that's a taco. That's a taco. That's a well-fed taco.
Oh, to the right?
We're doing all right.
Yeah, doing pretty good.
What did we have? 8 when we got up there?
Yeah.
I got one. Know how to keep 'em, my lord. Oh, got another one. Even smaller this time, though. Man, if the sun would just come out for like a little bit. Yeah, I put my gloves on. It was like almost a bad move because now I'm. Oh, this is a good one. This is 100% a taco. He's coming to you. He's got. Oh, he wrapped around all the other fish tacos.
Yeah.
He came out. Off the Twitch. Off the Twitch. He's an 11.
11?
An 11.
Fucking taco.
Taco me, bro. Alright, I'm gonna say 2 more casts and then we need to make moves.
I know we've been here fucking 20 minutes.
Well, we caught a few tacos. There might be a few more opportunities, but it might be the end. It's getting very chilly.
Sure, we'll catch some more on the way.
Yeah, that's why I was like, we don't need to stay here too long. We'll definitely find another group of them. This guy's he's swimming with us. We got a pet fish. I really don't have to deal with him, but we do what we must. That didn't take long at all to try and catch something trolling. As soon as I did it, I caught something. It's just silly, dude.
Pretty good size though.
Guess it's a girl. I think that's part of her egg.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Part of her egg sac. Yeah, that's a good looking fillet. Oh, needless to say, I think the weather made a difference for our white bass excursion. We caught, I believe, 26 or 27 keepers. We probably caught close to 50 for the whole trip, but as you can see, we had to throw a ton back. We had an excellent day down on the Nueces River. It was the first attempt that we had at running after white bass, and it does seem that they are moving upriver. I bet if we went again, they'd still be in those same 2 pockets. They're very plentiful out on that section of the river. So Fern ended up filleting the rest of those white bass. I had to run home. It was getting late. We got home at like probably 9. He said it took him about another hour to fillet all those up. So we have a freezer full of white bass. I think we're going to do a fish fry. We just got to wait for some nice weather. It's been pretty chilly down here in Texas the last few weeks. So hopefully spring will come through and really show our true colors, and we'll get a nice few warm days to do a fish fry for everyone. Again, we had a lot of luck on the white and yellow grub. That tandem rig is always super effective out on the Nueces River. So if you're ever interested, I would say that is a go-to. Do a tandem rig with a tiny little grub worm. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we will see you guys on the next one. Peace.